Welcome to Our Product Pick, where we bring you the best reviews and top recommendations to help you live smarter, safer, and more comfortably. In today's video, we're sharing the top 5 best electric wheelchairs in 2025, featuring the latest models that offer advanced mobility, user-friendly controls, and powerful performance for everyday independence. From lightweight travel options to heavy-duty chairs with long-range batteries, these electric wheelchairs are packed with the tech and comfort features users need in 2025. White heavy checkmark whether you're buying for yourself or a loved one, will guide you through the key specs, pros and cons, and what makes each model stand out. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's roll into the best electric wheelchairs of the year. Number 5 ScooterPOC Atom Power Chair. The ScooterPOC Atom Power Chair is an outstanding example of lightweight mobility engineering. Weighing just 12.1 kilograms, 26 pounds, it's currently one of the lightest folding electric power chairs on the market, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. Built with a durable carbon fiber and aluminum frame, the chair folds easily into a compact unit that fits most car boots without any disassembly. With dual 200W rear-wheel motors, it reaches speeds up to 4 miles per hour and offers a respectable range of up to 12 miles per charge, perfect for errands, appointments, or day trips. Beyond portability and performance, the Atom Power excels in comfort and control. Its cushioned seat, padded flip-back armrests, and precise joystick steering provide a smooth and intuitive ride. Safety features like automatic electromagnetic brakes ensure peace of mind, while a manual push mode activates when battery levels run low. With a weight capacity of up to 120 kilograms and a tight turning radius of just 600 millimeters, it's an excellent solution for both indoor and outdoor mobility. For users seeking a highly portable, comfortable, and easy-to-use electric power chair, the ScooterPOC Atom Power delivers superb value. Number 4. Karman Healthcare S115 Ergonomic Manual Wheelchair. The Karman S115 is an ultra-lightweight manual wheelchair, around 25 pounds without footrests, engineered with a patented S-shaped frame that promotes ergonomic spinal alignment. Its breathable mesh upholstery features an antimicrobial aegis treatment, and it includes swing-away footrests and fixed padded armrests for improved posture and long-term comfort. With seat widths of 16, 18, or 20, a 250 pounds weight capacity, and a fold-down backrest, it's clearly designed for portability, comfort, and everyday convenience. Users also appreciate the grippy pushrims and well-balanced frame, which makes self-propelling and folding the chair easier than traditional models. However, feedback is mixed. Many users praise its maneuverability and light frame, but others point out some comfort trade-offs, such as thin seat cushions and a tendency to tilt forward when leaning. While the ergonomic seat helps reduce pressure for short to moderate use, it may not be ideal for steep inclines or all-day self-propulsion without customization. Overall, the Karman S115 is a strong choice for those seeking a lightweight, health-conscious wheelchair for part-time use. But daily users or those on rougher terrain may want to consider padded upgrades or more robust alternatives. Number 3 Will Model C2 Power Chair. The Will Model C2 is a smartly designed power wheelchair that combines indoor agility with outdoor performance. Its 29.9-inch turning radius and omnidirectional front wheels make it ideal for tight indoor spaces, while its 5 miles per hour top speed and 12.4-mile range per charge support confident outdoor use. The C2 disassembles into 4 lightweight pieces, the heaviest just 42.8 pounds, making it especially practical for car travel or airplane boarding. Bluetooth connectivity and a companion app enable remote control, speed settings, locking, and diagnostics, adding a modern tech edge not often found in mobility devices in this price range. User feedback highlights the C2's comfort, reliability, and impact on day-to-day independence. Many note that it handles uneven sidewalks well and feels secure and stylish. Its airline-approved removable battery and quick breakdown make it a favorite among travelers. However, a few long-term users have raised concerns about wear and tear from frequent disassembly. Still, for those prioritizing portability, maneuverability, and smart features in a power wheelchair, the Will Model C2 stands out as a highly capable and thoughtfully engineered solution. Number 2 Pride Jazzy Passport Power Chair. The Pride Jazzy Passport is a lightweight, foldable power wheelchair designed for travelers and active individuals seeking convenient, compact mobility. Weighing approximately 60 pounds with the battery, 53 pounds without, it folds easily for transport in cars, airplanes, or trains, making it a great option for travel. Despite its portability, it performs well for its class, with a top speed of 3.6 miles per hour, a tight 24.25 turning radius, and a travel range of 9 to 11 miles depending on battery type and user weight. It also includes practical features like underseat mesh storage, a back pocket, a cup holder and a comfortable foam seat, all aimed at enhancing convenience and usability on the move. That said, the Jazzy Passport does come with a few compromises. Users have noted that the lithium battery may need replacement after about 2 years, with replacement costs ranging from $650 to over $1,000. The 13-month limited warranty on the motor also leaves something to be desired for long-term use. Comfort-wise, the seat may not be ideal for all-day use without an added cushion, and the footplate can feel restrictive for those with larger feet. Overall, the Jazzy Passport is best suited for occasional travel or light daily use, offering a smart balance of mobility, portability, and functionality for those who value freedom on the go. Number 1. Payzik 3-in-1 Electric Wheelchair W3. The Payzik W3 is a highly portable and versatile smart electric wheelchair that stands out for travelers and active users. Weighing only 49.6 pounds, it folds effortlessly in just 2 steps and is airline-approved, making it easy to store in car trunks or take on trips. Despite its lightweight design, the durable aerospace-grade aluminum frame supports up to 265 pounds and offers an impressive range of up to 15.6 miles on a single charge, thanks to its 12Ah lithium battery. What sets the W3 apart is its multifunctionality. It operates as a motorized wheelchair with 360 degrees joystick control, a caregiver-assisted transport mode with adaptive torque, and a smart rollator for controlled walking assistance. Comfort and safety are clearly priorities in the W3's design. The ergonomic padded seat and adjustable armrests provide extended comfort, while large pneumatic tires ensure smooth rides over a variety of surfaces. Built-in sensors regulate speed on slopes and intelligently adjust power output across modes for increased safety and stability. While most users report a positive experience, a few note that the joystick can feel overly sensitive, and battery life may drop significantly in cold conditions. Still, for those seeking a modern, travel-friendly mobility aid with smart features and flexible usability, the Payzik W3 offers a compelling all-in-one solution. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.